Davy here, down at the dairy farm with a scope cam, collecting some more rat footage for VerminHuntersTV. If you like what you see, subscribe to the channel and there will be more footage to follow. Thanks for watching. That was tricky, but there's though. But still, it's down now. It's just nerves kicking in, folks. But shooting a rat on the move, not too bad. Come on, give me a headshot. Thank you very much for obliging. That was a tricky shot because he had his head down most of the time, but I managed to get him. One less rat to worry about. Well, everyone, well, that just about rounds up of night of rat shooting down here at the dairy farm. So if you see like what you see, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Plenty more footage coming soon. Thanks for watching.